stop for a second. You understand English. You know the words, you know the grammar, everything looks perfect on paper. But when someone actually talks to you in the real world, you freeze.
I know that feeling. It hits like a physical weight in your chest.
Your mind goes blank, your heart races, and you wonder, why can't I just speak?
Here is the truth. You're not broken. Nothing's wrong with you.
Exactly. Everyone who speaks a second language has been there. Even people who sound confident now, they felt it once. Today, we're fixing one tiny thing, one small habit. It's simple, it's powerful, and it changes everything.
Let's slow down. Together.
Picture this: a small cafe, soft music. You're waiting in line.
Someone smiles and asks you a simple question. Maybe they ask, "Is this seat taken?" Or, "What do you recommend?"
You understand the question, but suddenly your head goes empty.
You start translating, word by word, and the moment slips away. That silence feels like an eternity.
But pauses are not your enemy. Native speakers pause all the time.
The difference is, they don't disappear into silence. They stay inside the language.
That is our core idea today. Stay inside English. Even when you don't know what to say, especially when you don't know. Here is the habit. One short phrase you've already heard, but you probably don't use enough.
Say it with me, right now.
Let me think. It's not magic, but it feels like it.
When you say it, your brain relaxes. You stop the frantic translation. You breathe.
Listen to the rhythm. Let me think. Bob. Soft. Calm. Real. Now, picture that cafe again. Same question. This time, you smile, look them in the eye, and say, "Let me think."
The conversation didn't die. You didn't answer yet, but you didn't disappear. That's real English. It's not about speed.
It's about flow. Let's practice. Say it with us, out loud.
Let me think.
Again. Let me think.
Slower now. Let me think.
Feel that space? That's your space. No pressure.
Now, let's add a tiny add-on. Native speakers use fillers like, yeah, or I guess.
Try this. Let me think.
Or, let me think. Yeah.
You're speaking while you're thinking. That is the secret of fluency.
Okay, quick drill. I'll ask you a question. Don't rush. Just stay in the language. Question 1. What do you like to do on your weekends?
Let me think. I like quiet weekends.
Perfect. Hear how calm that sounds? No panic. Question 2. Where are you from?
Let me think. Yeah. I'm from a small city. Now, imagine you're at work. Someone asks for a deadline. You can say, "Let me think. Maybe tomorrow."
Maybe is a power word. It buys you even more time.
If this helped you, do this right now. Say, "Let me think," out loud 3 times.
And if you want more practical habits like this, hit like and subscribe. We drop these drills every week.
Remember, you don't need instant answers. You need honest ones.
Confidence grows when you control the moment, not when you rush it.
One phrase at a time. You're doing great.
Really. Keep practicing.
Want to learn what to say after you think? Watch the full lesson linked on the screen now.
Take your time. Speak your truth.
See you in the next lesson.